Learning to remove a white background in Canva is really a game changer because it lets you put your picture on anything. Imagine taking a picture of yourself with a beautiful mountain, but also a lot of distracting sky. So you remove the sky, you remove or the white the background, you can remove and place yourself in front of a tropical beach instead. And also learning to remove background on objects can really help to learn in Canva. So let's jump right into this video. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials and let's see what we have to do. So here we select this image and then we have to go to edit photo. Please go to edit photo here, and here we have the option to remove background. So BG background removal, we can click on here, and now we remove the background. If you want, you can restore, let's say, some portions here. Let's say you want to restore this portion, only this and this, something like this. Well, you just have to erase this part, but take your time so you are careful how you're editing, how you're removing this part, and then you remove that portion and you can add something in front of this maybe. So you can do a lot of stuff. So let's look for more white picture with the white background. White background, that's just a white background, white. Or you can look for photos. Let's look for a photo, and here we need to look for a photo with white background. Let's see which one. Let's see this one. It's not a complete white background, but we can go to photo here, and then I'm gonna go to do tone here and click on custom. Let's shadow. I can add shadow. Let's say this is white and then the highlights are white like this, or the shadow, but that's gonna remove the image completely. I want white and black and white, so it's fine for me. So I'll go back here, select the image, go to edit photo, and here I'm click on BG removal, and let's see the result. It's just gonna take a couple of minutes, and now I don't have the background. I can improve this, multiply this, and as you can see, you see this image that we don't have any background. And now we can use maybe magic expand, or you can go back here, or sorry, we can go back here, and maybe we need color. We need color back, and we can also go here to magic expander if we want to expand this whole image again, but add something different to the background, to our background. Now, other things you might want to do when you remove the background, the white background, maybe you want to add something else. So we can look for elements here. So now we added here, we have a different background here. Works great, some dark background. But another way to add some dark background, let's actually go here, click on undo. So we undo. Need to add a background. Let's say we want backgrounds, doesn't matter, just we need some inspiration for some background. We can look for graphics here, or we can look for a photo, and here we have a background. We can set this as a background, and I can remove this type, this text, can remove this and this, and now I have this image with this background. Also, I can go to apps here, and here I can search for gradients. Okay, gradient generator, and with this tool I can generate some gradients. I can add a color palette to this gradient, and now I can click on randomize and click on add to background, and I can right click on this and replace background. And now I have another background with a gradient. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.